Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love so far. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. Welcome to the family. Today we're talking all about fermented rice water and how I make it. It's been helping me so much. If you haven't seen my progress, I will link it up in the cards. And if you don't know what rice water is, I'm just about to tell you right now. Okay? Yeah, so the Yao women from like an ancient Chinese village, they have long and shiny hair, and they pretty much use like fermented rice water to wash their hair and treat their hair. Their hair is amazing. Yeah, so rice water contains amino acids. That is extremely important for hair growth. And guess what? Rice water contains it. It has impressive 8 amino acids. So you don't have to tell me twice. I'm gonna pour that in my hair. It also helps with dandruff. We all know dandruff can be a bit of a bugger. So if you can get rid of it with rice water, why not? And it also contains a magic nutrient called inositol. I don't know what their name is, but it's pretty special, and it claims to help remedy and prevent damage to the hair by increasing the elasticity and reducing, oh god, I can't talk. Basically, it helps prevent damage to hair. So hey, why not use it? So you're probably wondering what sort of rice to use. I just use basmati. I don't really like the long grain one. It tends to swell up, so I don't use that. You just need a container. And all you do is you pour the rice into the bowl, give it a good wash. I washed it off screen. I rinsed it about 3 times, and then all I'm doing here is just pressing the rice into the fresh water just to release all those nutrients, all the goodness. And I know that you can add hibiscus to it, you can add chamomile to it, you can add green tea to it. Just spice it up, people, spice it up. This is my batch that I'll be using on wash day because I like to just soak my hair in it, so why not? Thanks guys, and until next time, take care and God bless. Hope you subscribe. Bye.